What's up everyone, from Moments here. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up the Pokemon Sleep app. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. The first thing to do is go to Play Store and search and download the Pokemon Sleep. So, I already downloaded mine, so let's open it. Now select your language. Next is your region. And then input your date of birth. Now you have two options. You can start fresh or you can transfer existing saved data. For newbies, just select start fresh. Then in here, click terms of use. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then close it. And the next is privacy notice. Scroll all the way down again. After that, close it. You can now click on agree on terms of use. Then agree to privacy notice. Next is click agree to this use of my data. Then click I agree. And confirm again, I agree. Now tap to start. It will prompt you to download an update, so just click begin. After the update, you can then input your username. You can use up to 12 characters and don't use your real name. You can also change it later. Now just click next. This part is just narrative or story behind the game. Now in this part, you can give a nickname for your new Pokemon helper. You can also change the nickname later if you want. Now set your target bedtime. You'll get a notification 30 minutes before the bedtime as a reminder. Then click confirm. And also allow notifications as well. Click OK. Then you can set the graphics quality of the game and also the frame rate. So that's how you set up and start your Pokemon Sleep game. It's an enjoyable way to monitor your sleep. For more videos like this, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.